Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Predator-prey logic makes this one fast, because once you spot what hares do in the food web, the community effect basically reveals itself immediately. Snowshoe hares are a key food source here, because the passage directly says they are preyed on by lynx and owls, so those predator populations depend on hares for energy. If a viral infection sharply reduces the hare population, then lynx and owls suddenly have less available prey, which means less food, less energy intake, and lower survival that year. That creates a bottom-up effect. When prey numbers drop, predator numbers usually drop too. So the best prediction is decreased lynx and owl populations. Well done! Option D. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rush. Trust given relationships and check each step before picking the community change.